So welcome inside the new Porsche 992.2 GT3 Touring. This one has the receipts in, picked it up last night from Porsche Switzerland. I have it for the upcoming week and I'm just so excited about spending a week with this car, going to drive as much as possible. I will be making a series of films with this car, starting off today with simply a nice coffee run out for some fun on a beautiful road, just to get to know the car. I will make more of a review film at the end of the week, but this morning is about waking up nice and early, going out for a drive and just enjoying it, because, well, that's what GT products were made for. And because I want to just drive as much as possible, I thought that after this morning's drive, instead of, just going home for a coffee or to my local coffee place, we're going to head over to Austria to go visit my friend's new coffee place. It's around 2.5 hour drive. As I said, I just want to drive as much as possible. So yeah, starting off this morning in Switzerland, and we will be finishing this afternoon in Austria. First things first, this new button here, thank you Porsche. This has made life a lot easier. The assist button, push it once, bam, 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 turn everything off. Super quick, very user-friendly, love it. Put it into sport mode, of course, into manual with the paddles. This one is PDK. I know a lot of you were probably expecting it to be a manual because, well, it's the Touring, and honestly, so was I. But I love the PDK as much as I love a manual, to be honest. They're both as good as each other in their own way. Let's go for a drive. I'm so excited. Not just to go for a drive, actually, but just because Porsche are still making cars like this, even with all of these new horrendous regulations that get tighter and tighter each year, slowly strangling anything exciting on the road. But Porsche engineers managed to find a way still in 2025 to make a car this exciting and that sounds like this. Unbelievable. So the color on this is oak green metallic neo. Comfort seats, as you can see, honestly, which I'm happy about. Porsche comfort seats are really nice and you still sit very low. Obviously, my heart sits with the GT3, as it has since, well, nearly the start of my YouTube channel. I'm slowly working my way through the GT3 range ownership. $9,000 up here. There we go. 500 horsepower. It's just the right amount. I feel like recently, especially with these GT cars, as fun as they are, I kept on being handed cars, with 700 plus horsepower, and it's just too much. 500 is such a nice amount. Good morning. It makes a few different sounds than before. I'm gonna put the window down a bit. All very enjoyable sounds. Can we just all appreciate that a second? Really, the Porsche is still making this? Yeah. I have a confession to make as well, and that's not always easy. The one car I regret selling the most, my 992 GT3. It really is quite a usable GT3. Looks good, sounds good. So fast on the corners. Easy to drive as well. This is such an easy car to drive, which makes it fun to drive all day long. Makes it, daily usable. Should we do a quick launch control? Yeah, why not? Uphill launch control. Be rude number 2. Oh, stroke brakes. Flat out. Oh, listen to that. that was with the traction control on, so not putting full power to the floor, and I didn't want to take it off doing launch control up on a mountain pass. Gear shifts feel a bit even more aggressive, more punchy. I don't know if they've done something there, but they feel more punchy, more of a kick. It's very zippy, and I like it a lot. Downshifts especially. 9,000. So I haven't looked into this car. I haven't read reviews. Only one or two very small things. And again, that's because I wanted to come drive this, not influenced by anything, and just also for the first drive, try and feel what's different. After this video, I will go read a bit more about it. But I like driving cars, well, especially cars that mean a lot to me, for the first time, without reading, without being, as I said, influenced by anyone or anything beforehand. Steering again, that super sharp 992 steering. I don't know if it's even more sharp with the double wishbone suspension, but it's very, very sharp. Suspension, that's, I would say, a direct highlight for me. Could you daily drive this? Yes, definitely, no problem. What a nice way to wake up. So 9,000 RPM. Here we go.